Like we predicted during the week, if you have been following this channel consistently, right? If you have been following this channel back to back, since on Monday, we have been predicting one movement on EURJPY, which EURJPY, and that movement is a movement to the upside. We have been predicting a bullish move, for the past 4 to 5 days on EURJPY, and I told you guys the ultimate target, which is this level. This is what market has done. Market has given us that bullish move and it has tapped our target, which is a resistance level. So this is to tell you that our analysis on EURJPY is absolutely correct. So basically, once we make a prediction like this, have it in mind that 90% of the time, market is going to move according to what we predicted it to move. It will give us that movement. So you can see that we are on a bullish move and market eventually give us that bullish move to tap this resistance level. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram, guys. So once we put one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, in order for us to be able to predict what market will be doing for us for the week, we need to go to our higher time frame to understand what the trend is. Remember, guys, know the trend first. Second is trade with the trend. Now, what can you say the trend is on your EURJPY? It is very clear that this EURJPY is an uptrend move. We are very much trending to the upside. Market is what's very much bullish. So this is the impulsive move that market did give us, where we had a series of higher high and higher low. Here comes the pullback phase, corrective phase, and pullback phase. Market then was able to give us another impulsive move, where we had a series of higher high and higher low, which took out this previous high, right? Here comes the pullback phase. Now, market was able to give us another impulsive move where we had a series of higher high and higher low. Remember, this series of higher high and higher low is very much visible on your 4-hour time frame. Once you go down to your 4-hour time frame, you will see it very clearly. So now this is the pullback phase. Market there was able to give us another impulsive move, right? And here comes the pullback phase. Now, market, you can see the pullback phase right here. Market then pushed up again to form another impulsive move. You can see it, which is a new high. That impulsive move took out this high, previous high, right? Now here comes the pullback phase. So market has now come to tap this level. So a multiple rejection at this zone right here. So market has now come to tap this level multiple times. So thereby market pushed up, came down, and now we'll be expecting market to continue to push up, right? So a continuous movement to the upside is what we will be expecting on our EURJPY. We should expect EURJPY to continue that bullish one. See, it is able to take out this high completely. So guys, more movement to the upside is what we should be expecting on EURJPY. Now let's go down to the daily time frame, guys. This is the movement on our daily time frame. You can see that market is what has been trending to the upside. We were having a series of a bullish move, right? That's what market has been doing. Market has been giving us that bullish move for some time. But when you take a look at this moment right here, guys, you see that market is what ranging within this level. So market is what ranging within this level. You can see it right here. And the market is ranging within this level. So this is the movement right here, guys. Market first came to tap this resistance level. Then a rejection was made that made it to drop to tap our support, right? Market eventually was able to rally up to tap our resistance. Then a rejection was made that made it drop to tap our support. The market eventually rallied up to tap our resistance, even gave us a false breakout, broke above it. Now this is a pullback that market was made that get to tap our support. Market eventually rallied up to tap our resistance, even falsely giving us a false breakout right here. Then it came back, corrected itself, came back to tap our support, gave us a false breakout, then it pushed back in, came back in to tap our resistance, and now this is it. So basically, guys, market has been ranging within this level. So we did what market is doing right here. Market will very much likely going to drop. That is what markets EURJPY will definitely do. So be looking at it in perspective of 3 to 4 weeks time, right? So in 3 to 4 weeks time, market should drop to tap our support level. But for now, what market is doing right now, market is likely to give us a breakout, which if markets give us the breakout will be a false breakout. So let's see if that false breakout can come to level 185. Such a movement will be about 100 pips. So let's see if it can come to tap this level. Once it taps this level, then we can be expecting a sell, or markets will likely start playing the sell around this resistance level. So these are the two possible levels markets will start selling, either from here or from here. Whatever markets we do, right, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So it is very simple, guys. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share.